Ka Honda Motorcycles and Scooter India HMSI hak arpu artrik ujulio arhajar arpusau kalap lipat ba ke showroom ba ke workshop ke penengkong kanong ba shelong kata ka shadap Honda ha mau blai ha ka jing rakat u Yogesh Mathur director ka HMSI uba bahaku par shadap utrai ke showroom ki bahayang bahasam ginong syakot sungubha ginong tray pat kiwei Ka shadap Honda ha Meghalaya kat penbiang ya ki scooter bak ki thok na ka company HMSI ki bat kan thok ya ka scooter model kum ka Activa bat Dio ka ba shispa shipo cc bat shispa arpsan cc bat kum jo ki thok ki badan ro khandai model Haba kerana gani kasi Yogesh Mathur director ka HMSI ulapan pau ki jingkmen banyo ban play ya ka showroom jo ka Honda ha Meghalaya ka banong ka senjam mon poi ka company Honda ha ki jela jo ka than chite lam mingi Kani ke showroom kan long ruk kalat na ke bentar ke company Honda man ai ke jeng syakri ke Pukura syakinong syaknong ke Jelam Meghalaya.
And especially in the Northeast, we are expanding our footprint, and with our current lineup of the product, we are very much sure that we will be definitely exciting all the customers here. And this is first dealership in Meghalaya and 25th dealership in the northeast of India. So we are starting this journey, and Mr. Shadap is a local person here, and he is a very known businessman, and he has got a lot of good customer base available here in his previous businesses, and we are sure that all the customers of Honda will definitely get a lot of good experience both in sales as well as in the service here, because he is a person who is always keen to provide best of the services to the customers. So along with the quality of the product, the best of the services can also be derived from the Shadap Honda. So we congratulate him and wish him the wonderful journey ahead. Thank you so much.
Iron kami man kiu nunggu ke pos te ni haban Pedro ya ke model company phiru pheti phibaro Honda one of the number one company in India two-wheelers kat kum ging siam jonga te ngasem ki produk jong kiru kilong ngam kon dem ki weiru ki bangala di ya kata kilong ka jong jeng internet ka jong ba ka jong ka size jong ka scooty te lane ka bike tamba ngapek but hadin bangla sim ya kan ni siam baru ngitip Honda India kari company was di bahai two-wheelers but kibri become jet bahai kam tam langi pe jaga bahasa South Indian ru jaga bah shit kat no ru kim juran kata ho hit ken kata kiyai bah te ngi hasilong ru isangi nak wala islami kan ya te hadin bat company ka kamlah ban ai mar bagi bun ki jing check ki be de bat ka mar khamong sutui ke number one company kham pe te tharong islam man rai ka te abi nyanom la man ong ban kon dia mi be mo kan ki de bokoi nomar ba ki jong ngai bro ko ba tanga ngai ba hondaru ibon of the best ngai krepat because mar bro kin se ba ban ya pe kami kini production